Hey guys, it's Kim. Welcome back to today's video. So I have another huge, amazing Dollar Tree haul to share with you guys today. I have a confession to make. I have been hoarding, you guys. I've been hoarding. So I have so many hauls to film for you. This bag is so heavy. There's so much stuff in here. So let's take a peek inside and I'll show you guys all the amazing stuff I've picked up over the past month, because there's a lot. So hopefully you're excited, and if you love Dollar Tree content, if you love budget shopping hauls, make sure you subscribe, turn on the notification bell. I upload tons of videos like this every single week. And let's get into my $1.25 tree haul. Okay, where to begin? So there's so much. First thing I picked up in home decor is this absolutely precious little ladder. It says home. It's like a mini blanket ladder. Absolutely in love with this. Oh wait, I have it backwards. So here you can see there's like this cute little leaf design here, and it's very that like farmhouse-esque. But what I'm actually gonna do is I bought this to do a DIY on Instagram. So I'm basically gonna just take off this thing that says home, and then I'm gonna turn it into a mini bathroom blanket ladder. So make sure you're following me on Instagram. I got my Instagram back. I am so happy. It is at Dollar Tree Dolly, and it's an IE, not a Y. So go follow me because I post there literally like 5 times a day. And I'm going to be sharing the DIY there, but it's going to be so easy. How stinking cute is this though? Even if you don't DIY it, it's absolutely adorable. Got this like adult coloring book, and I just thought it would be something fun to do. I'm trying to look for something where it's like a fun activity I could do, so I'm like not scrolling on my phone. So I want things that are just like simple, plain fun. I thought a coloring book would do just that. I did also get markers. I think they're somewhere in this bag, but it's just like very detailed coloring. So I'm hopefully gonna start this next week after I come back from my trip. But you can see it's like very, very detailed, and it just looks so fun. And I've heard adult coloring is like super relaxing. So I mean, it's not like a really big coloring book, it's kind of thin. 16 pages of tropical paradise. It says it helps reduce stress and to practice self-care with soothing and satisfying pastime of coloring. So if you guys also want to do this with me, definitely pick this up, grab some markers, and we can be adult colors together. I picked up a lot of home decor in this haul, and it's kind of like really cool stuff that's more like modern looking because I'm trying to transform or redo my living room. So I picked up a couple things to share with you guys, and I'm really excited. So the first thing are these taper candles, and I do have something to go with this. So these are just plain unscented from the brand Luminescence. So what goes with these guys are these candle holders that I found at Dollar Tree, and I thought these were so stinking cool. I got inspired because I saw this girl on YouTube, and she has this like rustic luxury home style, and she had candle holders like this, and I thought it was really cool that Dollar Tree had these. You have to be careful picking them out because some of them can be like chipped or some can be like crooked, you know, we're at Dollar Tree here. So I really liked the design on the bottom, how it was kind of like, I don't know, ridged. And it's like this, it's not plastic, it's like a, I don't know what you would call it, steel. So there was 3 different sizes. I got 2, and I figured that I could hopefully put these in here. Hopefully they'll fit and they won't fall over. That's like the one thing I was curious about, because I don't know if they're gonna fit in here securely, but I'll have to see. But I'm excited to kind of switch up my decor a little bit and try something new. Okay, another thing I saw in that girl's video was she had this like cement piece. So this is what I picked up. It's like this really pretty cement base, and it also comes with this gold thing. And I guess you could put a candle in here, or you could just leave it by itself, really however you want to. But I actually got 2 of these because I want to put them together, one of these. And what I wanted to do, because I saw something similar in her video and I was trying to copy it, is I want to maybe like put them together like this to make a cool decor piece, because I really like this whole cement thing aesthetic, however you want to call it, and I think it's just something different. So I'm thinking I could put them together like this. You can also maybe do something like this. So it's really just however you want to. I mean, that's really cool too. And you can also leave the gold on, whatever you think will work best. So I'm gonna try and make something. I don't know how well hot glue would hold these together. I probably have to use something like E6000, a little stronger. But either way, these are so pretty. And like for Dollar Tree, this is really, really good stuff right here. Very trendy. On to my next decor piece. I got another item that is like super cool and modern. It's this black globe with some texture to it. And I just thought it went with the whole aesthetic that I was going for. I feel like this would look really pretty on a shelf. I could even put it like back here on these shelves, or if you have those cool shelves where you have like things you can stack and put it on books. I don't have that here, but you guys know what I'm talking about when people have those like metal shelves with different layers. I feel like something like this would be really cool to stack. So I really liked this and thought, again, it was super unique for Dollar Tree. Next up, I got this bowl, and I love this line from Dollar Tree. It's just this clear bowl, and I love their glass pieces. $1.25. I mean, you cannot beat this. I will use this all the time for beating eggs. You can have cereal in here, ice cream, anything. It's just like the perfect bowl, and since it's glass, I know it's non-toxic. There's nothing to worry about with like BPA or anything like that, even though I would say majority of everything at Dollar Tree now does say BPA free, but I feel like glass is super safe to eat out of. So you can kind of like have a peace of mind about that if you're thinking about like non-toxic food bowls. So love this. I'm definitely gonna, you know, like wash it before I use it, because there is like a little bit of, you know, like cardboard and stuff from the store. But this is an amazing value. I highly recommend these glass bowls, and the plates as well are very good quality. Another adorable home piece I picked up is this really cute white jar. I don't know what I would call it. It's like a mini vase, but it's a pretty decent size. I loved the texture and pattern on this. You can fill this with something. You can put, I'm thinking like if I had mini, those like little feathery kind of branches, I feel like that would be cool. And I feel like I've seen stuff like this at TJ Maxx and Home Goods for like $24.99. So if you can find something cool to put in here, and you can really go both ways with this. I feel like you can make this like boho, or you can make it more modern. So it's very versatile piece, and again, just a really beautiful item at Dollar Tree. They're stepping up the decor. Like I was saying before, if you want a first look on everything I find at Dollar Tree, follow me on Instagram, and then here's where I show you everything that I actually picked up on YouTube. So I really hit the jackpot on jewelry pieces. So there was this brand of jewelry I saw called Crescent Moon, and this isn't a Dollar Tree brand. These are so pretty, and I will show you guys these close up so you can see. But it's like a layered necklace with a star and a moon, so very celestial vibes. And then I also got this one, which has this really cute moon and 3 stars, and it's just so pretty. I loved how this looked. I love anything with stars. And then I saw this guy, which I thought was interesting. It had like 2 dangling stars and a moon, and again, I'll do a close-up so you guys can see this better. But it's so cute and pretty, and I figured I could also give these as gifts. Jewelry, I love necklaces, and definitely anything with like stars on it, like I was saying, is just instantly yes. So I was so excited when I saw these. I had to grab some, so I was very happy with these. It's, you know, usually they have like the same kind of displays of jewelry at Dollar Tree. It's like that, I don't know what you would call it, like, you guys know what I'm talking about. It has those like plasticky looking earrings that are like black and gray, and there's one that's like kind of like a tortoiseshell color. Hopefully you guys can find these. I found these at definitely was like a larger Dollar Tree location. Such a random food find, but they had these Organic Valley tomato sauces, and I figured this would be good for making a pizza. And Organic Valley is actually a really good brand. It is organic, and it says it's made from 100% Roma tomatoes. So I was like, let me just grab this. It's always good to have backups of stuff like this. And there is also a nice little flip tab on the can, which I appreciate so much, so I don't have to use the can opener. So they had a couple different things from this brand, but I love picking up canned goods like this. Next up, I got a favorite item. This is the Global Beauty Care Women's Deodorant Wipes. They wipe away odor and sweat. There's no alcohol, and you get 25 wipes in here, and I just love these. They are perfect for freshening up, especially in the morning. I like to use these before I go in with deodorant, because you know when you wake up, you could just you can smell a little bit stinky. You've been sleeping all night, maybe you've been sweating, and the pit situation needs a little bit of freshening, to be quite honest. Ingredients also don't look bad to me. They do have perfume in them, which I know, you know, it would probably be better if they didn't have perfume in here. And the last ingredient is aloe, and usually the last ingredient has the least amount of concentration, but I still think these are a great find. It's great for also for in the car, so I use these up really quickly because I use them pretty much every day. So had to grab these are a staple for me. Next thing I picked up is this absolutely adorable new headband. They came out with a new version of the Sherpa headbands. I love Sherpa, or what are they calling it now? Boucle. They're like making it fancy. I love these because they're thinner than the other ones, which is really nice, and it just reminds me of like a fuzzy teddy bear. So cute. I cannot wait to wear this. I do have a headband in today. I love these too. They're like the 90s Y2K headbands. I used to wear these all the time, and I got this from Five Below. So I'm actually surprised they don't have these yet at Dollar Tree. Hopefully soon. Sometimes it takes them like a little bit more time to catch on to trends, and then they'll end up putting it out, from what I've noticed, like being at Dollar Tree all the time. But they're really crushing it in the hair department, honestly, and like they're putting out such cute headbands recently. So I just adored this one. I think it also comes in pink, so had to grab that. And then I picked up 2 new lashes because Ioni came out with an entire new lash collection, which is very rare. They always have the same styles and they repeat the same styles. So they finally had a brand new display called Written in the Stars. So I had to try out 2 that caught my eye. There was about, I think, 12 new styles, so there's a lot. So I picked up this one, which is called Feathery Cluster Long, and the the name of the lashes is called Rig. Super fun. And then I picked up this one. It's called Curl Medium Cat Eye. So it's very curly and it gets a little bit longer at the ends. And this one's called Andromeda. So here's this one. So these are the 2 that caught my eye to pick up. I literally told myself, no, you're not allowed to get any more Ioni lashes because I have an entire draw full, you guys. It's crazy because I feel like I'm just collecting them at this point. Gosh, I totally forgot. I got this cute new strawberry keychain. I love keychains, and this one's fun because it's kind of like flexible, and I just love the strawberry and the sparkles, and I just thought it was so absolutely precious. Then I picked up this stunning volume styler. This is so cool. This is a name brand find. Oh, I actually have it backwards. So this says it has salon quality results. I feel like everything says that, but it says it has a volume adding brush, and there's apparently this little thing in here that is like has ingredients in it to help make your hair have volume, and I definitely struggle with volume. My hair doesn't have any layers. That's how I prefer it to be, so it's, you know, can be a little bit more flat. So I'm wondering how this is going to be. The pictures on the back are so funny. Like the ladies who have the after, their hair is like a giant like poof. It's an incredible body. And then it says it's made with ingredients like coconut oil, japonica seed oil, and lemon peel oil. So I'm definitely curious how this works. I'm going to do a little video probably on Instagram testing this out, but I thought it was interesting, and they had a ton of them at my store. Some people commented on my video on Instagram when I found it saying they loved it, and then some people said they didn't like it. So I will see for myself what I think. I definitely want to see how I can get more volume. I am going on a trip to Florida this week to visit my sister, and also have like a little event for work. So here's a little travel hack for you guys. So I'm slightly paranoid about hotel rooms, although I did pick a hotel that is like literally brand new. But to be safe, I got 2 satin pillowcases. Number 1, just because I like these better than regular cotton. I sleep on a silk pillowcase at home, but since I'm gonna leave that at home, I just picked up 2 of these to take with me for traveling, and then when I get home, I can just wash them and keep them for the next time I travel. So what I do is I actually just put this over the pillow at the hotel, and then I take it off when I leave. It's just to kind of protect my hair, my head, and I know they wash everything. I know they do, but just because I'm crazy and being paranoid, I got the satin pillowcase, and also it's just good for your hair. So it's a satin silky material, white, and I also got black. So just a little traveling tip for you guys. I also got a bunch of these bumblebee tuna salads because it's just something easy for Nick to make for lunch and also for me, and it has a lot of protein in it. So this has 8 grams. Oh, it only has 8 grams of protein? I thought I had more. All right, well, if you like tuna sandwiches, it's just like an easy way to make a quick sandwich, or if you just put it in a bowl, I like to add mayo, or I'll add some Laughing Cow cheese. That's like one of my little also food hacks, is to add the Laughing Cow cheese, and it tastes really good. Add some cucumbers, bagel seasoning, and you have yourself an easy, quick meal. So this is like a great snack to pick up at Dollar Tree. I do a lot of shipping because of eBay and Poshmark, so I always pick up this packing tape from Dollar Tree. It's pretty easy to find. The roller thing that I use this with, so it's easier to like maneuver when you're taping boxes. So this is something that I frequently pick up that I don't think I've ever told you guys about that I like. And then here's another new item. It's this bone ring with strap. Okay, this is so freaking cute. I actually got this last night. I got this for my work phone. So it has these adorable little hearts on it. How cute is that? And I like this way better than the faux Dollar Tree pop sockets. Do not like those. They are so cheesy and they just feel like really weird. And they fall off so easily. So I prefer this with the little ring, and then you also have the cute little hearts. Oh, I love hearts. So I had to pick this up. Adorable. This easily could go for $5 at Five Below. And then I think this is my last item. I also got this to travel with. It's this selfie ring light. This is going to come in so handy for making reels, and it's like USB charged too, so I'm going to charge it up before I go. Loved the pink, and you just clip it on top of your phone. Super easy to travel with. It also has 3 different settings, which I was really impressed with for getting this for only $1.25. So I will definitely let you guys know how this is. It says it's a soft light, and it's just rechargeable with micro USB. So wow, that was a huge haul, and I feel like everything was so good, if I do say so myself. I'm really happy with everything I picked up at Dollar Tree. So comment down below and let me know, what was your favorite item that I found? Did you pick up any of the same stuff? I had so much fun filming this for you guys, and don't forget again to follow me on Instagram and like, comment, subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.